Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are a returning subscriber, so happy to have you back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install with this gorgeous unit from Sunber hair. They went ahead and sent me their 7x5 HD by knots Waterwave wig unit, and it is in 24 inches. I'm loving this hair, and I speak way more about the by knot technology, and I give my review on this specific wig at the ending of the video. So if you'd like to know if it's good, if I receive shedding or tangling, all that stuff is in the end, so stay tuned. Don't forget to go ahead and check that out. But honestly, I'm loving the waves. I'm living for it. It's dry down, it looks wet at the same time. I love the concoction I use to define these gorgeous waves from Sunber hair. So if you'd like to see how I did this quick and easy glueless install using their by knots technology wig unit, stay tuned. Like, can you guys see this? How seamless it is. The knots aren't showing. It's 100% glueless. I can take it off if I want. Like, get into it. But enough of me rambling. Let's jump into today's tutorial.
I know what you want. I can read your mind even from behind. And focus in your phone. Let me take you home. I wanna take you home. Cause it's so rare that I'm here. Don't plan on staying too long. So you should come here, sit your ass on this throne. It's a special event. Better act like you know who I am. Who I am. Make it feel nice and comfortable. Tryna act nice, but your cover's gone. But you already knew that. You already knew that. You already knew that. You have if you wanna climb. Leaving alone, let me take you home. I wanna take you home. Cause it's so rare that I'm here. Don't plan on staying too long. So you should come here, sit your ass on this throne. It's a special event. Better act like you know who I am. Who I am. I do this Patron. Make you feel nice and comfortable. Tryna act nice, girl, your cover's blown. But you already knew that. You already knew that. You already knew that. Make you feel nice and comfortable. Tryna act nice, girl, your cover's blown. But you already knew that. You already knew that. You already knew that.
Uno, two, tres, four. Uno, two, tres.
Hey, you went flying David Spur. Hey, you went driving around the world. Hey, you went brown like a squirrel. Hey, you went Chanel pearls. Hey, you went Rolls Royce car. Hey, you went Rolls Royce truck. Oh, you want war with all my hoes? Oh, you wanna line it all up? Hey, I'm gonna play it how it is. Hey, I've been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field on the pill. Hey, you wanna steal on the spill. Hey, you my real nigga serious. Rolls Royce still on the field. Yeah. Oh, you ain't tough on. Oh, you ain't Flintstone. Oh, you took the little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't trained on it.
So this is the gorgeous unit I received from Sunber hair. It is dried down fully and I'm loving the texture. It is in their Waterwave texture and it is their 7x5 by knots wig unit, which pretty much is very self-explanatory. And if you have not received a by knot unit just yet, definitely hold your coins and shop with Sunber. This wig, so far so good, is one of the easiest wigs I've had to install from any company's by knot collection. Girl, when I say the baby hairs was not overgrown, this is how they came, and I was shook because usually the baby hairs are longer, it touches my eyebrows and I'm just like no. But this one definitely beats all the other companies by far. I'm loving the texture, the curl pattern is everything, and once it's dried down it just gives very nice soft curls and I love that. And also when it comes onto the lace, it came pre-parted, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. All I had to do was just put it on, apply some hot comb heat to the top, and that was pretty much it. You know, use a Sunber band, they give you everything, and they come with like really nice gifts in theme that goes with the hair. So they'll send you a edge brush, they'll send you clips, they'll send you their band, and that band right there is the key to a seamless melt, effortless glueless melt, because what it does is once you spray this spray on there, or any, you know, volumizing spray, any type of spray to give you a stick or a hold, any holding spray will do the trick. Once you use the Sunber band compared with the Sunber band, no other band but the Sunber band will get you this effortless seamless melt. Like, you guys, I'm living for this, and it is 100% glueless, so you do not have to worry about your wig coming up because she is gonna stay down. I can yank her from left, I can yank her from right, and she is still glueless, still sitting where it's supposed to be in the middle. So I'm literally living for the technologies in the wig, the whole by knot system. So when I come closer also, you can't really tell it's giving scalp, can't tell it's a wig, honey. I'm going outside looking like, you know, I'm growing this from my scalp, and we love that. So don't forget to go ahead and check the links out in the description box if you'd like to purchase this unit. And it is sale season, so don't forget to hop on to some great deals from Sunber hair. The links and all codes for discounts will be in my description box below, and Sunber would automatically have discount codes on their website. So don't forget to go ahead and shop this by knots unit. And without further ado, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, babe.